When it comes to choosing windows for your home in Orangeburg, it's essential to consider not only the aesthetic appeal but also the functionality of the windows based on your local climate. Casement windows, which are hinged at the side and open outward, have become a popular choice for homeowners in Orangeburg due to their excellent ventilation, energy efficiency, and suitability for the region's weather conditions. In this article, we'll explore why casement windows are an ideal choice for homes in Orangeburg's climate, highlighting their numerous benefits and why they should be a top consideration for your next window replacement project. Superior ventilation for warm climates. Orangeburg's hot, humid climate means that ventilation is crucial to maintaining comfort in your home. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward, creating a large opening that allows for maximum airflow into your home. The unique design allows for better circulation compared to double-hung windows, which only open halfway. Optimal airflow. When fully opened, casement windows allow air to flow freely, creating a natural breeze throughout the room. This can help cool down your home without relying too much on your air conditioning, which is particularly beneficial in the warm months when cooling costs can rise. Control over ventilation. Casement windows also give you precise control over how much air enters the room. Since the window cranks open, you can easily adjust the level of ventilation based on your needs. The ability to open wide and capture even the slightest breeze makes casement windows a great option for homeowners in Orangeburg who want to keep their homes cool and comfortable during the warmer months. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. While ventilation is essential during the hot months, energy efficiency is just as important year-round in Orangeburg. Casement windows are highly energy efficient due to their design and tight seal when closed, making them an excellent choice for reducing energy bills and improving indoor comfort. Tight seal. When casement windows are closed, they form a tight seal against the frame, which prevents air leaks. This means that cool air in the summer stays inside and heated air in the winter remains trapped, keeping your home at a comfortable temperature without overworking your HVAC system. Improved insulation. Many casement windows come with double or triple pane glass, which provides additional insulation. These windows help keep your home energy efficient by preventing the transfer of heat, whether it's to keep the heat inside during winter or keep the outdoor warmth out during summer. By choosing casement windows, you'll improve your home's energy efficiency, leading to lower heating and cooling costs and a more comfortable living space all year long. Protection against rain and wind. Casement windows are designed to open outward, which may raise concerns about whether they can be left open during rainy or windy weather. Fortunately, casement windows are ideal for homes in regions like Orangeburg, where afternoon thunderstorms and high winds are common. Rain protection. The way casement windows open provides an added benefit. When the window is open, it actually acts as an awning, keeping rainwater from entering the home. This is especially useful during storms, as you can keep the window open to allow fresh air while still preventing water from coming inside. Wind resistance. Casement windows close securely against the frame and are less likely to be affected by strong winds compared to sliding or double-hung windows. The tight seal of casement windows prevents drafts, making them more weather-resistant and reliable during inclement weather. The wind-resistant and rain-protective features of casement windows ensure that your home stays secure and comfortable, even in unpredictable weather conditions. Enhanced security and safety. In addition to their functional benefits, casement windows also provide enhanced security and safety. Because they open outward, casement windows are more difficult for intruders to pry open compared to other types of windows. Strong locking mechanism. Casement windows come with secure locking mechanisms that ensure the window stays tightly closed. These locks are harder to tamper with and provide added protection against burglars trying to break into your home. Easy to operate. Casement windows are easy to operate, even for people with mobility issues, as they come with a simple crank mechanism that opens and closes the window smoothly. This ensures that everyone in your household can use the window easily, while the secure locks provide peace of mind. Choosing casement windows increases your home's security, making them a great option for homeowners who want to prioritize safety without sacrificing style or functionality. Stylish and versatile design. Casement windows are versatile and can complement many different architectural styles in Orangeburg. Whether you have a traditional, contemporary, or modern home, casement windows can be customized to match the overall aesthetic of your house. Wide range of styles. Casement windows come in a variety of sizes and finishes, including wood, fiberglass, or vinyl frames. This allows you to choose the perfect material and color that suits the style of your home while providing a timeless look. Clear views. Casement windows also offer unobstructed views of the outdoors, making them a popular choice for rooms where you want to enjoy beautiful landscapes or scenic views. These windows not only offer functionality but also enhance the beauty of your home, adding value and curb appeal. Conclusion. Casement windows, a smart investment for your Orangeburg home. For homeowners in Orangeburg, casement windows provide a perfect blend of ventilation, energy efficiency, and protection. With their ability to open fully for better airflow, their weather-resistant features, and their secure and stylish design, casement windows are an ideal choice for the area's climate. Investing in casement windows will not only improve the comfort and efficiency of your home but will also enhance its security and curb appeal. If you're looking to upgrade your windows, consider installing casement windows for long-term benefits and an elevated living experience.